Let's say we have 3/5 divided by 1/4 divided by 8/9. How can we divide these three fractions? Well, when you're dividing a fraction, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of the fraction. So the reciprocal is just when you switch the numerator and denominator. So we could rewrite this whole expression as 3/5 times, we'll flip the 1 and the 4. So we'll say times 4 over 1. And when we are dividing by 8/9 right here, we can do the same trick where we say, let's actually multiply by the reciprocal. So flip the numerator and denominator. So we can write this as 9 over 8. So what we've done is we've rewritten the division problem as a multiplication problem. So now when we're multiplying these three fractions, it helps if we first try to see if we can cross cancel it all. And that means look at all the numbers in the numerator and see if they share a factor with any of the numbers in the denominator. So we can see that 4 and 8 both share a factor of 4. So what we can do is we can say, let's divide 4 by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then if we do 8 divided by 4, that's 2. And it looks like that's the only cross canceling we can do. So that just helps us simplify before we actually perform the multiplication. So now that we've done that, we can just multiply all the values in the numerator. So we get 3 times 1 times 9. So 3 times 1 is 3. Times 9 is 27. So in the numerator we get 27 over, in the denominator we have 5 times 1, which is 5, times 2 is 10. So our final answer is 27 over 10. Now we'll notice that this is an improper fraction. That means the numerator is greater than the denominator. So if you wanted to, you could write this as a mixed number by asking yourself, how many 10s go into 27? Well, that would be 2. So you could write this as 2. Now 2 10s, that makes 20. So to get to 27, you would need 7 more. So 7 over, and you just keep the same denominator right here of 10. So 27 over 10 is the same as 2 and 7/10. So either one of these would be considered the correct answer. So that's how you can divide three fractions. Simply turn it into a multiplication problem, and it becomes much simpler.